here, man. Haters always wanna hate, and snitches always wanna snitch. And when you mix it with an attitude, they'll probably turn into a bitch. So step out of their way, don't play their games. Nothing was the same when you depressed over a lame. Haters always wanna talk, I tell them write it on the board and chalk. And if I get to it, I'll let you know. All you haters probably from the dro. They ain't got time for those fakers. Some nigga even hating on the Lakers. Hate me if you won't, make a nigga like you don't. You always saying I'll never make it, until I'm at the top and now you faking. And I ain't gon' brag when I get there. When I see your face, it's all gon' be clear. Today's the day that I shine. We roast with all our rhymes, and the girls with us, they all dimes. Let all you haters know it's our time.
Realizing my blessing, mama working 2 jobs so she stressing. Second thoughts, I'm second guessing. The niggas hating on me, ain't no question. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar, bitch. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar, bitch. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar, bitch. I said, I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar, bitch. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar, bitch. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar. I'm tryna turn this dollar in my pocket to $1 million. Spitting verses, I don't need no damn rehearsing. I'm tryna get this damn money, but people hate it so funny. I realize that they the dummy. Lil's hauling, I'm clumsy. Top ramen for dinner, sitting the faking like yummy. Just to fill up my tummy, my mama working, I'm lucky. But I gotta take over, gotta get that Range Rover. Cause my mama, I owe her. Time fly getting older, going hard in this bitch like a fucking bulldozer. Me and my niggas who buried to the top of take over. All these bitches wasn't fucking with me till I got older. And I ain't talking about age, I'm talking about this damn cash. They see my wrist and it flash, they see me now, they don't laugh. I'm just on a mission, politicians see me now, fuck reminiscing, fucking bitches in my kitchen. Got these motherfucking riches, see me now, the Louis Christians. Remember when I did the dishes, now these bitches swim like fishes. I got my wishes, realizing my blessing. Mama working 2 jobs so she stressing. Second thoughts, I'm second guessing. Niggas hating on me, ain't no question. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my collar, bitch. I'm tryna get rich, tryna pop my